Morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Excuse me, I want to introduce myself to you, ma'am, and to you, sir. My name is Yanti. I'm 38 years old. My birthday 11 December 1986. I come from Cirebon, West Java of Indonesia. My last education is junior high school. My religion is Muslim. My status is married. My weight 53 kg. My height 155 cm. I number 4 in my family. I have one brother and two sisters. I have two sons. Number 1, 10 years old. Number 2, 9 years old. I have experience work before in Jakarta 2 years. From 2022 until 2024. My job is a tech care akong 85 years old. Cleaning the house, wash any clothes, wash toilet, cooking and go to market. I can cook and handle pork, but I cannot eat pork because I'm Muslim. I can cook Indonesia food, for example, sayur asam, omelet, egg balado, chicken soup, and sambal. I won't go to Singapore because I need more money for help my family and my future. I promise to be good, meet, be honest, obedient, and hardworking until finish contract 2 years or more, ma'am. I'm finished introduce, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.